Hey guys, how you doing today? MD95TSI here, and as you can see, I have bunch of stuff going on here. Today I made my Fat Sharks to where these are the Fat Shark transformers. This is the projector, binocular style one, as they call it. So what I did was put a Eachine DVR module on there now, and now I can record the flight from my Fat Sharks, because I had to do this for one reason. And as you can see, I got a battery right here. I kind of don't like that battery there, but you kind of got regular Fat Sharks and the battery's like right on against your head. So, but I'll tell you, I really didn't want to. I really had to do this, is what I say. Not really didn't want to. I did want to, because it's awesome to be able to record. But I had to for one reason, is my son and Patrick, drone review man of all drones. If you guys remember Patrick or know Patrick, check him out. Really good channel. Him and my son made a deal. You guys know I had the Eachine VDR2s Pro editions, and so we went ahead and made an exchange with Patrick, an even trade. He wanted a pair of box goggles. My son wanted something else. So let's see what we have. We have our package from, sorry about that, the battery died on a GoPro. Okay, so let's see what Patrick sent us, or what did we trade. Do it like this just from the beginning, okay?
Welcome to the Drone Network.
We have a battery. That is a TET 2. I believe it's a 3S battery. 2S maybe. Yeah, 2S. And check it out, it has a voltage checker onto it. That's pretty cool. Make sure you guys are getting this. Just press the button and it shows you. That's pretty slick how that's wired up. What else do we have in here? Oh, an antenna. Cool. An immersion RC antenna. And let's show you what else is in here. Look at that, guys. Fat Sharks, huh? V3s. I believe these are the Fat Shark Predator V3s. Really nice. Really nice. So that's what my son wanted. A pair of Fat Sharks, and Patrick wanted a set of box goggles. So I'd say it was a pretty fair trade in my eyes. I purchased the goggles, or the box goggles. So Patrick has been trying to trade someone a pair of Fat Sharks for box goggles, and he says he's been asking quite a few people, and I guess no one wanted to take him up on it, thinking that, you know, probably he's out trying to scam someone, because who wants to trade a set of Fat Sharks for box goggles? Well, guys, to let you know, Patrick, drone review man of all drones, is a stand-up fella, because I'll tell you what, I know all my family and I love you guys, but when we make a trade, it kind of really shows me more about you, or tells me more about you. These are in really good shape. He really takes good care of his stuff. I mean, there was like a little, right here, there was a little sticky pad right there where someone might have had a battery or a SD, a card, you know, reader, just like I just showed you I put on mine. So, other than that, man, they're beautiful. Awesome, Patrick. Really good trade, brother. You're going to love them Eachines, man. I did plug these in and look through the view, through the little whoop-de-whoops out here. I did find it and all that. Really nice. So we'll do a review more on these once we learn more about these. And Russell, there you go, brother. You got your Fat Sharks, son, and I'm happy for you. So now we'll be out there together, daddy, son. But no, I'm glad, you know, to be able to trade and make things like that happen, especially when he wanted them, because the Fat Sharks are not cheap. You guys know that. These cost a little bit of money, so that's awesome. Patrick, want to say thank you, brother. Really appreciate you. And when you get them Eachines, man, do a video. Let us know what you think of them. I want to see how excited you are. So there you go, guys. Fat Shark versus Fat Shark. Yeah. And we're going to mod these and do the diversity thing and all that on it. You already know that's coming. So, and then they got a face plate that you pop these off because they're real flimsy, see? So they got a face plate that goes in here and it makes it much easier to see stuff and all that. So we done did homework on them. We're gonna mod them up. You guys know me, the mod father, so we'll get it done. Alright guys, that's the trade from Drone Review, Man of All Drones, Fat Shark Predator V3s for Eachine VD R2s. Thank you, Patrick. You're a stand-up guy, brother.